Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. In previous class, we had seen about the statements and we have the various type of statements in Java like simple statement, conditional statements and looping statements and jumping statements. As we completed in depth with the simple statements and conditional statements in Java. But before proceeding the problems of conditional statement, we should have some idea regarding the char data type and boolean data type and about some typecastings. Okay, in this video I am going to cover about data types of char and boolean. Okay, as we discussed earlier in the concept of data types, char will store only the one character within the single quotation. Okay, if you want to pass the ASCII value to the char, we don't use the single quotations. As a boolean, that will give the output in the form of true and false. Moreover, boolean does not store any values in it. Okay, and we will discuss about the what is the ASCII values and basic ASCII values. We should have some idea regarding that. So coming to the point, char data type, right? Already we know that char ch is equals to a. If you print this, you will get the output as a. Okay, here we are defining the char data type and which is the variable ch, and we are storing the a in the ch. Okay, and if I print this, we will get the output as a. Okay, but if I use char ch is equals to ab, what is the output? We are going to get the error because we have to pass only the single character inside the single quotation. Okay, what will happen if I pass char ch equals to 97? What is the output? Okay, basically, as there is a concept of ASCII values. Okay, the ASCII values, all the alphabets around 256 characters, or they have the ASCII values predefined. Okay, if you go for small a, it was holding the 97. Okay, while using the ASCII values, we should not use a single quotation for that. Okay, if you are using the single quotation, we get the output as 97. But if you are not using the single quotation, you will get the output. Okay, what about z? Z is equals to 122. Okay, in the same way, capital A carries 65 and capital Z will carry 90, and whereas 0 will carry the 48 number and 9 will carry 57. Okay, these are the some of the ASCII values we are going to use in further problems, so we should have some idea regarding the ASCII values. Okay, what is our output for this? Yeah, right. Yes, just open the Eclipse and create the class. Okay, I have created the class as char and boolean. Already we know that the size of character is 2 bytes and boolean is cannot be, it depends upon the JVM. I mean it does not have the fixed size, it not precisely defined. Okay, but usually 1 byte is used internally, that is default value of false. Okay, let's see this. Already we seen this, right? If you want to know the size, just write character dot size. I mean if I want to know the size of the character, I will use the character size, right? What you are getting the output? We are getting the output as 16. 1 byte is equals to 8 bits, so 2 bytes is equals to 16 bits. Okay, that's the reason we are getting the 16 here. And there is no size checking for the boolean. As you're typing the code, you will get an error. It will shows that size is not resolved to the field type, that is the boolean. Okay, after completion of this, let's go for the char ch equals to a. Okay, and if I print this ch, what is the output we are going to get? We are going to get the output as a. Yes, if I go for char ch2 equals to ab, and if I print ch2, what is the output we are going to get? We are going to get error. Okay, that means Java lang error. Okay, compilation problem. During the compilation, we are getting the problem invalid character constant at line number 9. Okay, at line number 9, we are getting invalid character constant. That means as a character, it has to be only the one, but you have entered two characters here. So if you are entering that, it will be resulted in the compile time error, right? Okay, what about ASCII values? Char ch is equals to, if I want ASCII value for the specific number, I should not use the quotations there. Okay, if you are using quotation, means inside the quotation what you are writing, that will be resulted in the char type or the string type. But if you are not using the quotation, then we are able to see the output, like we are getting the output as a. If I giving the input, if I passing the input for the ch3 variable, I am going to get the output as a, because the ASCII value for the ASCII value for the 97 is a, right? Yes. And next, if I pass 122, what is the output we are going to get? Z, that is small z. 65, what is the output I will getting? Capital A. 90, we will get the output as capital Z. 48, what is the output we are going to get is 0. 57, we are going to get output as 9. Okay, there are around 0 to 256 characters will be there, and each have their own ASCII values which are already predefined. So you can use that, you can visit the Chrome and you can search the info regarding the ASCII values. But it's a basic need, that is small a is 97, small z is 122, capital A is 65, capital Z is 90, 0 is 48, and 9 is 57. Okay, these are the basic things as we need while proceeding with the some of the problems in the conditional statements. Okay, that's all about this character. Okay, let's we go for the boolean. Okay, as a boolean, what is the output we are going to get? We are going to get only the true or false. True or false. It does not have the specific size, right? Yes, that by default we will get the default value for the boolean is false, means that was holding 1 byte. Okay, let's, I want to store boolean b is equals to true, then I was printing b. What is the output we are going to get? We are going to get true. Okay, because they were accepting only the values, I mean predefined true or false. Okay, if I enter again, the false was stored in f. Yes, it was giving the f value, that is false. In the same way, if I use it to store value that is 0. Okay, which is an integer data type. Okay, or you can say that it comes under the byte, short, int, or other types. But basically, by default, uh we are going to use mostly int data type, so I was treated it as int. Okay, if I print v, what is the output we are going to get? Okay, we are going to get thread of main, Java lang error, unsolved compilation problem, type mismatch. We cannot convert from into to boolean because it's coming under the concept of typecasting. You are entered the value, you want to store the value in the variable of v, which is the data type of boolean. Okay, it comes under the integer data type, right? So it cannot be solved. I mean, integer is a, okay, integer is a holding of around 4 bytes. Okay, whereas boolean will store only the 1 byte, that is default value of false. Okay, if you want to convert by explicitly as a boolean, I think we are not getting conversions. Okay, as if they are not converting. Okay, we cannot, the problem is that we cannot cast from into to the boolean because the boolean only stores the boolean values. Okay, that's all about boolean data type. Okay, and if you are giving or saving any data types other than the boolean for the boolean data type, we are going to get compile time problem, like error, that is exception. Okay, so that's all about today video, a little bit discussion regarding the characters and booleans. What is the characters and what are the ASCII values we are going to use as a basic idea regarding the ASCII values, and some little topic about the boolean. Okay, and if you have any doubt, just comment me below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.